Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Printable Letters Empire is a digital product creation system that helps users build and sell serialized printable letter experiences with the support of AI. Its core concept turns one story idea into a 6-part printable series, giving customers a reason to follow the story across multiple installments rather than purchasing a single one-off printable. The system focuses mainly on immersive mystery-style products and includes the 6-letter case engine, a structured AI prompt that helps develop the case, characters, clues, storyline, and 6 connected letters. It also provides guidance for creating printable visuals, supporting materials, promotional assets, and additional genres such as cozy mystery, romance, and heist. Since customers receive downloadable PDF files, sellers do not need physical inventory, shipping, or warehouse space. Printable Letters Empire suits digital product creators, printable sellers, AI users, and online marketers who want to create story-driven products with repeat purchase and long-term catalog potential.